Hi everyone, trust you all are doing well and welcome back. And if you're new, welcome to the channel. Alright, so we finished up our notifications to be able to notify the followers of a particular user if they actually create a new thread. Alright, now in this case what I want to do is if we go to the person's profile, so that in this case we're on Maya's profile, so if we click there we can actually go to her profile. Now what I want to do is I just want to display underneath here how many followers they have and how many people Maya are following, just underneath here. Right, so let's quickly do that. Right, in our code editor we're going to go to resources, views, pages, profiles, and then we're going to go to the show view right here. Right, as you guys remember from the previous ones, we got the follow buttons right there, and underneath that follow buttons we're just going to create a div of flags, flag skull. Let's add some padding top of 8 and space Y of 4. Right, so we created our div, and inside the div I'm just going to create 2 span tags. Create 2 span tags and copy them down. Right, so the first one is going to be for the amount of followers. Okay, followers like this, and we can do the count in 2 ways. We can get the user, all right, and then we're going to get the followers. Do the followers. Now let's do the followers first. Okay, so the followers, and we can add the count like this. All right, that's one way to do it, and that's completely fine. And the other way is to encapsulate the whole thing with a count like this. Okay, like that, and that works for me as well. So that's the one I'm going to use. And the next one is going to be following. How many users this person is following. And we're just going to add the count again. Then we add the user dot follow, like that. All right, so let's quickly see. But remember, on this one I'm calling on the method that's calling on the relation, and this one I'm just calling on the relation directly and not the method. Okay, so that's why they're different. Because if we go to our as follows trade again, let me just show you why I do that. Because in this one, if we call on the follows, it returns the relationship directly, so I don't need to call on the method. Okay, I'm calling on the relationship. And on this one, I'm calling on the method that's calling on the relationship. All right, the follow relation. Okay, so that's why it's like this. Okay, so let's see in the browser if we can actually view how many followers and how many she's following. Now, as you can see, she's following 3 and nobody is following her. So we logged in as John Doe. So let's see if we follow her, and let's see if it updates. Now, as you can see, now she's got 1 follower. All right, all good stuff. And I just want to style it a little bit differently. You can do whatever you want. Yeah, so let me go back. All right, they just give them a dingo color, but you can obviously change it to whatever color you want and however you style it, however you want. So let me just go and just show you what I've done. Okay, so basically what I've done is just add some padding and some styling to it and just add the followers like that. Okay, so this is kind of the short lesson, just to kind of display how many viewers or how many users are following a particular user, how many people the particular user are following. All right, so that's it for this one. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.